Voice is clear? Okay. How can do it? First of all, everyone can see our motto determine V naught. Okay. So first of all, everyone can try with the help of our motto determine V naught with the help of source transformation. Okay. I hope so. Voice is clear. Now, so our motto determine V naught with the help of source transformation. I have already discussed what about source transformation. First of all, a current source given like that one with parallel resistance here R given, and that one is I. If this one is converted into voltage source, simply you can write now a voltage source here and resistance like that one. Polarity decided by current direction. Current direction always current leave from positive terminal. That's why I'm making here. So what about V? V is equal to I into R, and this is X, and that is Y terminal. Clear? Vice versa. I is also written as V by R. If V and R given, then what about I? I is written V by R. Okay? Clear or not? So first of all, I hope so. Clear what is the source transformation. Last class I have already discussed what about source transformation in detail. So simply, if current source and resistance both are connected in parallel, then this one is converted into voltage source. Simply V and that resistance connect here. And what about V? V is equal to I into R. And if current direction like that one, then this how can decide? Current always leave from positive terminal. So that one positive, that one is negative. So V is equal to I into R. Clear? After that, clear or not? And second one, if V and R is given, then what about if you that one change into here in current source, then what about current? Current, first of all, what about I? I is equal to voltage divided by that resistance, and that resistance connect here parallel to current source. And what about current? Current is current direction decided by always polarity of the voltage, that is positive here negative. So current leave from positive terminal, so current direction upward. Okay, always from positive terminal. So if anyone faced doubt, then tell me, I will discuss again. So how can do? Simply, if you see where in this circuit, our motto determine that voltage. Okay, so first of all, if this one can convert into current source, okay, this one is convert into current source, and that one is convert into voltage source. Okay, this one is converted into current source, and this one is converted into voltage source. If this one is converted into voltage source, what about resistance R 4 ohm, and what about current, that is 3 ampere. So if this one is converted into voltage source, so simply circuit making like that one here. So first of all, voltage 4 into 3, that is how much? 12 volt. And what about resistance? This one is 4 ohm connected in series. After that, current direction, what about polarity? Current direction always from positive to negative. Current leave from positive terminal, so it means this one is positive and that was negative. So here it is positive, here negative. Clear? Okay, this one make like that one. Now after that, what about that circuit? If this one is converted converted into current source, then what about current? Current source written like that one. Okay, and what about resistance? Simply written like that one. What about R? That is 3 ohm. And 12 divided by 3, that is how much? 4 ampere. That is 4 ampere. Okay. And positive here, positive here, negative. So I this equal to V by R, and current direction upward. Okay. After that, clear? Clear or not? What about current? Current is simply 12 divided by 3, that is 4 ampere. Current direction always leave from positive terminal. So here positive here. So current direction upward. So current direction upward. So making here, and this is 3. After that, these two connect. That one 2 ohm, and that one is 8 ohm. So that is 8 ohm, and that is 2 ohm. And what about voltage? That is V0. Clear or not? Okay. After that, if anyone phased out, then tell me, sir, I phased out corresponding to that step. Please explain. I will explain. If no anyone phased out, then tell me also, sir, my all concepts are clear. My all doubt are clear. If anyone phase, okay. Now after that, if you see 4 and 2 in series, so make here, that is how much? Minus plus 12 volt. And what about resistance? 4 and 2 both are series, that is connect 4 plus 2, that is 6 ohm. Okay, and that one is 8 ohm, 8 ohm, and that one is that current source. Make here, that is how much? You can interchange. Then we got, and that is 3 ohm. Here plus minus V0. Clear or not? After that, if this one converted into, look here, if this one again converted into voltage current source, that is how much? Current 12 divided by 6, that is 2 ampere. That is 2 ampere. And what about resistance? That is 6 ohm. Clear or not? If this one is this, that is voltage source, and that is resistance. Okay. If this one convert into current source, then how much? What about current? 12 divided by 6, that is 2 ampere. And what about current direction? Current always leak from positive terminal, so current direction downward, 2 ampere. And 12 divided by 6, and 6 ohm correct here, and that 8 ohm already here. So that one is 8 ohm. After that, if you see again, that is 4 ampere. Clear or not? And what about that voltage? That is 3 and plus minus V0. Clear? If anyone, I hope so clear. I hope so clear. Okay. Now, if you look, 8 and 6 both are parallel. 6 and 8, 6, 8 divided by 14. That is how much? Here 7, here 3. 24 divided by 7. So this one is 24 divided by 7 ohm. Okay. I hope so clear. Thank you. Thank you. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me, sir, I faced the doubt corresponding to that step. I will explain again. Okay. If anyone faced doubt corresponding to any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. So now, after that, if you see that one, that is 24 by 7, and here 2 ampere connected in parallel, and 2 and 4 both are parallel. So sum of these two, algebraic sum of these two, that is how much? 4 minus 2, that is 2 ampere. In which direction? Upward. Okay. So that is 2 ampere. After that, combination of these two, that is 24 divided by 7 ohm, and that one is how much? 3 ohm. And what about voltage? V naught. Suppose that here I. Again, simply apply current division rule. 2 into 24 by 7 divided by 3 plus 24 by 7. So 2 into 24 divided by 21 plus 24. That is how much? 4, 8 divided by 4 and here 5. 48 by 48 by 45. Okay. And what about V naught? V naught is basically 3 into 48 by 45. That is how much? 3 into 48, 144 divided by 45. That is how much? 3.2. That is 3.2 volt. Make it. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will discuss again. I will discuss again. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. Oh, silly mistake here. Our motor determine voltage across that one, but we have focus on here. Wait, actually voltage, our voltage determine voltage across that one. Okay. So, or you can say that 8. Okay. Remove it. Okay. Now we are focus on again. Silly mistake here. Actually, our determine voltage across that one, 8 volt, but we have find out corresponding to that one. Okay. So how can do? Simply 4 and 2, that is 6. So if you make here minus plus, that is 12 volt, and that is 6 ohm. Okay. And here that one interchange current direction, that is 4 ampere. Basically here 8 ohm connect, and that one is V naught. Okay, clear or not? After that, if you see now, if this one converted into current source, then how much current direction? Downward. 12 divided by 6, that is 2 ampere, and that is how much? 6 ohm, and that is 3 ohm. Okay, that is 3 ohm, and here shit, and that one is 4 ohm, 4 ampere upward direction. And what about resistance? That is 8 ohm, and this one is plus minus V naught. Okay. After that, if you see very carefully, these two in parallel. So combination of these two, how much? 6 into 3 divided by 9, that is 2 ohm. Okay. And also that is 4 ohm, 4 ampere, and that is 2 ampere. Combination of these two, both are opposite direction. So net current in upward direction, 4 minus 2, that is 2 ampere in upward direction. It is 2 ampere. Okay. And combination of these two, that is 2 ohm, and here 8 ohm, and that is V naught. If you assume current I, so again apply current division rule. 2 into 2 divided by 2 plus 8, that is how much? 0.4 ampere. So V naught is 8 into I, 8 into 0.4, that is 3.2 volt is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone face, okay. So first of all, make it. Then I will explain again. Okay. Ali Abram. Hello everyone. I hope so. All doubt are clear. So very. First of all, make it. Basically, our motto determine V naught. Our motto is determine V naught. So how can we determine? First of all, I'm using source transformation. So what is the source transform? Voltage, resistance, that is voltage source, and voltage source converted into current source, that is written I, and parallel resistance R. Okay. Now, our motto, if this one is converted into current source, simply that is 12 volt, and here 3. If this one is converted into current source, 12 divided by 3, that's how much? 4 ampere. Okay. Clear? 12 divided by 3, that is 4 ampere, and that is 3 ohm. Connect here. Now, if you see here, if this one is converted into voltage source, so 4 into 3, that is 12. So 12 current direction downward is it means that is positive, and here negative. So 12 volt, and that is 4 ohm. Okay. Here 2 ohm, here 8 volt, here 8 ohm. Okay. After conversion of this one, we got like that one. Okay. Now 4 plus 2, that is 6 ohm. Both are series, that's why 6 ohm. So 12 volt and 6 ohm in series, and that is 3 ohm, and here 8 ohm. Voltage across 8 ohm is plus minus V naught, and that is 4 ampere current direction upward. After that, if you see again reshuffling, okay, if this one is basically this one is reshuffling. Reshuffling means this one connect here, and this one connect here. That's right. Okay. Basically, this one is interchange here. Simply these three are parallel. That's why this one connect here. Okay. No. Okay. After that, if you see here, that is voltage source, here current source. Sorry, voltage, and here resistance in series. So if this one is converted into current source, 12 divided by 6, that is 2 ampere, and 6 ohm connect here. Like that one, and that is 3 ohm, 4 ampere, and here 8 ohm. These two are parallel, so combination of these two, that is how much? 2 ohm. That is 2 ohm. Okay. And 4 ampere direction upward, and this one is downward. So 4 minus 2, that is 2 ampere in upward direction. Both are parallel, that's why connect directly. After that, here 8 ohm connect here. Again apply current division rule. Current division rule, both current direction, This one is downward and that is upward. So I is positive 2 into parallel resistance 2. So 2 divided by 2 plus 8, that is how much? 0.4 ampere. And what about V naught? V naught is I into 8. So put this value and we got 3.2 volt is the right answer. Make it. If anyone faced doubt corresponding to any step, then tell me, I will discuss again. Okay? If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. Vetu? If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. I hope so. All doubt are clear. I hope so. All doubt are clear. So now we have taken another problem also. Okay. Now next question. So first of all, if this one, okay. Now we have taken another problem. That is 6 ohm, and that one is a current source connected like that one. A resistance, parallel resistance connected here, and that one is plus minus a current source represent like that one, and this one is 7 ampere, 7 ohm. Our motto determine I naught, and here current source that is 3 ampere. After that 5 ohm resistance connected here. Okay. That is 6 ohm, that is 5 ampere, that is 3 ohm, that is 3 ampere, and that is 5 volt. Okay. Our motto determine I naught with the help of source transformation. Our motto determine I naught with the help of source transformation. First of all, everyone can try, then I will do. First of all, everyone can try, then I will do. Okay. First of all, everyone can try. After that, I will do. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. I hope so. How can do? First of all, if you see here, I know that apply source transformation. That is current source, a resistance like that one. Then that one is converted into voltage source and resistance plus minus V, and V is equal to I into R, and that is R. And here I is written V by R. Okay. If this voltage source given, then that one converted into current source is given, then converted into voltage source. Okay. How can apply? First of all, if you see very carefully, these two are in parallel. Okay, combination of 6 and 3 both are parallel, so that is 2 ohm. If the combination of these two both are parallel, so that is 2 ohm. Okay, it means you can replace, if you make another circuit, that is 2 ohm, and that one is 5 ampere, and that one is plus minus how much, 5 volt, and that one is how much, 7 ohm current I0. Now this one is converted into, if you convert into voltage source, no more advantage, so it is run, and that one is 5 ohm simply. Now look here, if this one is converted into voltage source, that is how much, current direction upward, so this one is positive and that was negative, 5 into 2, that is 10 volt, and that is 2 ohm, and here positive, here negative, and that is how much, 5 volt, and here 7 ohm, current direction downward. Okay, you can also interchange. If this one represent 5 ohm here, because these three are parallel, so you can also written, and that one 7 ohm, and that is I naught, and that is 3 ampere, and that is 5 ohm. After that, minus to plus, plus to minus. So what about net voltage? That voltage is greater than that one. So polarity, how much? Plus minus 5 volt. And that one is 2 ohm. And here 5 ohm. Okay. And that one is how much? 7 ohm I naught. And current source represent like that one, 3 ampere. After that, now again apply current division rule. Sorry, source transformation. If you apply source transformation 5 by 2, that is how much? What about current? Current is 5 by 2 means that is 2.5 ampere. That is 2.5 ampere. Okay. And that is 2 ohm. Connect here. And here 5 ohm. Connect here. And after that, that is 7 ohm and I naught here. And what about resistance? Sorry, what about current source? Current source direction upward, so that is 3 ampere. Clear? I hope so. Visibility is clear. Okay. I hope so. Visibility is clear. Okay. Clear or not? After that, if you see very carefully, these two are parallel. So combination of these two, that is how much? 2 into 5, 10. 10 divided by 7. 7 ohm. And 2.5 ampere and 3. Both are same direction. So you can say that 2.5 plus 3, that is how much? 5.5. 5.5 ampere. Okay, and that is 10 by 7 ohm, and that is 7 ohm current direction I naught. So what about I naught? Here apply current division rule. Here 5.5 into 10 by 7 divided by 7 plus 10 by 7. So what about that value? Simply 77. So we right now 55 divided by 77, that is 87. So what about that value? With the help of calci, you can determine 55 divided by 87, that is 0.0632 ampere is the right answer. Make it. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay. If anyone faced doubt in any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. I hope so. All doubt are clear. Okay. I will explain again. How can you explain again? First of all, if you see, these two are parallel. So parallel combination, that is 2 ohm. So connect here 2 ohm. After that, here apply simply source transformation. 5 into 2, that is 10 volt, and that is 2 ohm in connected in series. After that, combination of these two, that is 5 volt polarity with positive here negative. Okay, and that is 2 ohm, and also that is 5 ohm. The 3, this one interchange, then we got like that one. After that, if this one again with the help of source transformer, 5 by 2, that is 2.5 ampere, and 2 ohm connected here. Okay, and that runs 5 ohm, and that is 7 ohm, and that is 3 ampere. Combination of these two, we got how much? 10 by 7. So 10 by 7 ohm, and that is 2.5 and 3, that is how much? 5.5 ampere. Okay, and that is 7 ohm. Connect here. Now again apply current division rule. I naught is 5.5 into 10 by 7 divided by sum of these two, then we got how much? 0.632 ampere is the right answer. Make it. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone faced doubt in any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone faced doubt in any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. I will discuss again. If anyone faced doubt in any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Now we have taken another problem also. A voltage source here plus minus, that is 6 volt, and here 2 ohm connected, and that is 2 ohm. Okay, a current source (0.25 into Vx plus minus 18 volt, and here 4 ohm. Okay, our motto determine Vx. Our motto determine Vx. So how can we determine Vx? So first of all, everyone can try, then I will discuss. Okay, first of all, everyone can try. Our motto determine that Vx. So first of all, if you see these, here apply current division source transformation, and here also apply source transformation. Okay, if you apply source transformation here, then 6 by 2, that is how much? 2 ampere, sorry, 3 ampere, and that is 2 ohm resistance connect here. After that, if you apply here source transformation, then we got 0.25 into 4, that is how much? 1. Okay, 1 volt, 1 Vx. So we got Vx, polarity plus minus, we got current direction. So here positive, here negative. Okay, that is Vx simply. And what about resistance? That is 4 ohm, and here plus minus 18 volt. Okay, like that one. And here that is Vx. Sorry, no, that is Vx, 2 ohm. Okay. Now after that, if you see again, 18 minus 2 plus. Okay, how can do? First of all, if you see this one, 2 and 2 both are parallel. So parallel combination, we got how much? That is 3 ampere, and that one is, what about voltage? That is Vx, both are parallel, that is 1 ohm. Okay, and that one is 4 ohm. These two are adding, then we got plus minus Vx plus 18 volt. Clear or not? If anyone faced out, then tell me. I will explain again. Okay. After that, if this one is converted into current source, voltage source, then we got how much? Polarity plus minus 3 into 1, that is 3 volt, and whatever resistance, that is 1 ohm, and our motto determine Vx corresponding to that one, and here 4 ohm, and here plus minus Vx plus 18. Now after that, if apply KVL in this loop, minus 2 plus minus 3 volt plus 4i plus Vx plus 18 plus 1i, this is equal to 0. Okay, Clear or not? So we got how much? 5I plus Vx, this is equal to minus 15. That is equation number 1. Now apply KVL in this loop. Minus 2 plus minus 3 plus Vx, okay, plus I, this is equal to 0. So what about this I replaced to how much? 3 minus Vx. Okay. So that value put here, then we got 5 into 3 minus Vx plus Vx minus 15. So 15 minus 5 Vx, okay, that is 14 minus 14 Vx, this is equal to how much? Minus 30. So Vx is 15 divided by 40. Okay. So what about that value? That value is 15 divided by 14, 1.07. That is 1.07 volt is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone faced doubt in any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. Okay. Minus 3, 4 plus 1. 5, 5. Okay. So Vx I is replaced to 3 minus Ix. So 15 minus 5 Ix, that is 14. So finally answer is 1.07. I hope so. All doubt are clear. Okay. So we have taken next problem. If anyone faced doubt, then comment it. I will discuss. Otherwise, I have discussed another problem also. Okay. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will discuss again. Otherwise, we have move on another problem, another new problem. Okay. Simply, this one is converted to current source. So 3 and here parallel connected 2 ohm. After that, multiplication of these two, that is Vx and that is 4 ohm, and here 18 volt. After that, these two are parallel, so combination of these two parallel combination of these two, that is 1 ohm. That's why written here, and that is 3 ampere. Here 4, both are series, same polarity, so Vx plus 18 volt. Now after that, if this one is converted into voltage source, that is 3 volt, and here 1 ohm, 1 ohm. Apply KVL in this loop, then we got how much? Minus 3. Suppose the current direction I, like that one. So minus 3 plus 4I plus Vx plus 18 plus I, this is equal to 0. So 4 plus 1, that is 5I plus Vx. This is equal to 18 minus 3, that is 15 plus 15. If this one is going on here, that is minus 15. That is equation number 1. After that, we have focus on that one. Okay, minus 3 plus Vx plus I, this is equal to 0. So what about I? I is written as simply 3 minus Vx. That value put here. 5 into 3 minus Vx plus Vx, this is equal to 18. So 15 here, 5 Vx plus, that is how much? Minus, that is minus 4 Vx. This is equal to minus 30. So Vx is 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5 volt. Basically 7.5 volt is the right answer. Okay, silly mistake. Okay, clear or not? Minus 5 Vx plus 4 plus Vx, that is 4 minus 4 Vx. Minus 4 Vx, this is equal to minus 30. So Vx is how much? 15 by 2, that is 7.5 Vx. 7.5 volt. Okay, I hope so clear. I hope so clear, all doubt. Okay, okay. Now next problem is, now I have taken another problem. That one is 4 ampere. This is the last problem. And that one is 10 ohm. And here Ix. And that one is 5 ohm. Here minus, here plus. That is 2 Ix. Okay. Our motto, determine Ix with the help of source transformation. How can do? If you apply source transformation, if you apply source transformation, okay, here that one written 4 ampere and that one is 10 ohm, that is Ix. If you apply source transformation, so what about current direction? Downward. Why? Because polarity positive here and upper plate is negative, that's why. Current always leave from positive terminal, that's why. 2Ix divided by 5, that is 2Ix divided by 5. Okay, and after that, that resistance connected here, 5 ohm. Okay, clear or not? That current and that current source, combination of these two, if represent like that one, that is how much? 4 minus 2Ix divided by 5. Okay, that is Ix and that is 10 ohm and that is how much? 5 ohm. If you determine Ix, then written here 4 minus 2 divided by 5, that is 0.4. 0.4 Ix into 5 divided by sum of these two, that is 15. Okay, this one is 4 is common, then written is 1 minus 0.1 into Ix divided by 3. So multiplication of Okay. So what about Ix? Ix is written as 4 divided by 3.4. So 40 divided by 334 means 20 divided by 17. Then what about that value? What about that value? That is 20 divided by 17. That is how much? 1.17 ampere. So Ix is how much? Is the right answer. Make it. Okay. If anyone faced doubt, then tell me. I will discuss again. If anyone faced doubt, then I will discuss again. If anyone faced doubt corresponding to any step, then tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. If anyone faced doubt, tell me. I will discuss again. Okay. Basically, how can do? Simply, if you apply current here, source transformation, that is voltage source, the voltage divided by resistance, that is current source, like that one, 2Ix divided by 5, and 5 ohm connect here. After that, this current and this current are opposite direction, so both are adding 4 minus 2Ix by 5, and that one is 10 ohm, and here 5 ohm. Okay. After that, what about Ix? Ix is simply written as, if you apply current current division rule, that current into that resistance divided by sum of these two. Okay, then we got like that one. After multiplication, we got finally I is how much? 1.117 ampere is the right answer. So final answer is 1.17. 1.17 ampere. If anyone faced doubt in any session, then comment it. I will do. Okay. If any suggestion regarding to lecture, then tell me. So tomorrow I will take another problem. If any doubt, then send on that number. If out of India, then 919041398104. Simply apply here plus 91. Okay. Before starting that number, adding plus 91. Okay. So thank you very much. Tomorrow I will take another problem. Okay. At 9 p.m. Thank you very much. If anyone face any doubt corresponding to any step, then comment it. I will discuss. Otherwise, today's class is finished. Thank you very much.